Good morning from Siargao. We're biking with the bike wanderer, Zarlim. Ano tara, let's bike and wander.
Papaitim tayo sa Siargao.
Bakit napapagalan sa atin si Zar?
Papaitim ako ngayon. Parang nakakahiya mag-arm sticks dito, no?
We left our bikes here during the typhoon and this is our first time riding them. I tried to fix them as much as possible yesterday, so let's see if they can withstand this bike ride today. Diretso lang. Right. Maahon.
Hi.
Nahulog yung cap ni Kuya Zar Rescue Wanderer. Some off-roading today. We're checking out Ocean 9. We haven't been here since before the typhoon, so let's check it out. This is one of the surf spots here as well. Oh my god. There it is, Ocean 9. Ooh, drone. Here's the behind the scenes of shooting with Zarlim. Pinapapose kami dito, and then she's gonna get a drone shot. Uy, anong gagawin? Muntik mo haircut na ako. Boom, tama. Take 3. This is Ocean 9 here in Santa Fe. This is one of the surf spots. They're still rebuilding their accommodations, but there's some people surfing here already. And you can come here, chill at the beach.
So, kasi na kami. Nagtangpesaw kami at
Magkano na ba tayo?
ano? Huhuli ng jellyfish. Oy, wag ka ganyan dyan! Baka tayo hulihin ng jellyfish. At tapos na nga po kami mag-swim.
Uy! Ala, dire-diretso ba doon? This is Shakabrah. Here's Yen. They're open again, but they're still rebuilding their house. Come here if you want Vietnamese food and Vietnamese coffee.
Thank you!
It's so good.
And our very good chef, Lily.
Lily!
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye!
What's up, yo?
What we're biking right now is, I think it's called the Santa Fe Loop. Basically, looping around Santa Fe back to GL. We're in Libertad now.
Zarlim?
Oh, Zarlim.
X-Z-A-R. Ito,
Mag-subscribe.
bike bar. Hindi mo nakita yung iba, madami yan, mahaba. So, naman to. Kasi ano siya, kailangan mo search ka.
Bye, Zar! See you. Time to go home.